It is Fifi's birthday today. Here you go, Fifi. Happy birthday.
Uh-oh. What's that?
My baby is 2 years old.
Eat it.
That's for Fifi. Whoa! You like it? We're picking up Fifi from school right now. Fifi's getting a little tired. This is the birthday girl here. Got her little dinosaur, her little fan. Hi, Fifi. How does it feel to be 2 years old? Oh. Uh-oh. This is Fifi's dinosaur right here. She can't leave home without it. Are you guys ready to go to Dinosaur Land? Uh-oh.
Oh, I utot.
You want to go to Dinosaur Land?
I utot, guys.
Uh-oh. You utot too? Are you guys ready to go to Dinosaur Land or what? We're getting something to eat. Hi, Fifi.
Today is her birthday.
Yeah, today is her birthday. We're just doing a small celebration today, guys. And then this weekend we're gonna go somewhere special for her birthday. They are looking for a toy right now. Whoa! We got that one already. We got that one already.
If you don't get too much, okay? Okay, Fifi, you have like that in the house.
We have Fifi's little mini birthday cake. Are we ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Fifi. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow the candle. Blow. Blow hard.
Go, Fifi.
You got it. Blow. Yay!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 2 years old. Now we're ready to go on her birthday trip.
Dinosaur Land.
We are on our way where?
Dinosaur Island.
Dinosaur Island. Here we come for Fifi's birthday. Let's do this. We made it to Dinosaur Island. And there's a lot of people here. Okay, we just got a wristband here. This is our Dinosaur Island wristband. Welcome to Dinosaur Island, Clark, guys. Let's go. We're gonna take a picture here real quick. Hey. All right. Which one? Okay. Thank you. Go in. All right, so we're gonna be taking a lot of pictures here, guys. Woo. Dinosaur Island. Let's go closer here, people.
Josel?
Ada mga pictures, oh.
Josel! Josel, pasis ako muna na itong papasok.
Alright, Dinosaur Island. Go ahead.
Woo! Magkakasama lang kayo, ma'am, sir.
Let's go. We're gonna go to the Jurassic Jungle Safari. Okay, thank you. Where's the dinosaur? See the dinosaur? See the dinosaur? Get in front. You got it. Whoa.
This is so big.
You guys ready?
Daddy, look at that dinosaur.
Whoa. You see the dinosaur? Oh, don't let the dinosaur get you. Don't let the dinosaur get you. Are you excited, Pipa? You excited?
Yep. I'm not scared of it.
Don't be scared, guys. Are you scared? Oh, here it comes. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry. Oh, look at that dinosaur right there. I didn't even see that guy.
Scare me now.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
Piggy's go that side, huh?
Man, thing almost bit me. Oh, let's look over here. Look at these little dinosaurs. Oh! Dang! Whoa. Look at the little apes over here. Oh, the gorillas. Danger, keep out. How you guys doing, Fifi?
You okay, Fifi?
You okay, Fifi?
See the dinosaur?
Oh, look at the dinosaur over here. Wow, wow. Look at the little one. There's the danger zone. Oh, I think I found a dinosaur here sticking his head out. Ooh, look at him. I got ya. I got ya. How about you? I got you here too. Look at all of them. Look at him. Look at this guy. Look at him. Oh. Whoa. Look at him. Oh, look at him right here. Look at him. This is the long lost island. Whoa.
Oh, you scare us, huh?
It's not real, guys. Oh, we're almost done. Oh, look at him. Ah. Whoa, whoa.
Bye-bye, dinosaur.
Say bye-bye, dinosaur. Say bye-bye. Okay, get out here. Go ahead, get out, baby.
It's a brachiosaurus.
Hi, Fifi. Look, it's moving. You see it moving? Wow, it's a big one. Hi, Fifi. Alright, it says Stegosaurus crossing here. Stegosaurus crossing. Watch out. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. So many people here. This is a Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Let's go. Take a picture. Come on, Fifi. Come here, Fifi. Come here. Alright. You got it? Right here, guys, is a pterodactyl. See it? Wow. We have to beware, guys. There's a T-Rex around here. Hi, Fifi. This is the birthday girl right here. 2 years old. This is what we've been waiting to see right here. T-Rex. Well, this is like T-Rex Ranch from Blippi. T-Rex Ranch. Wow. Wow. Maybe let's go up here.
It's the king.
Let's go up.
It's the king, Daddy.
Go up here. This is T-Rex Ranch. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh, look at it. Taking a picture with T-Rex. You guys ready? That's a T-Rex. Thank you. Woo. Let's go. Look at his butt. Okay, let's go. Walk this way. Say bye to the T-Rex.
Bye-bye.
Butt shot. Butt shot. So we're looking at the Mysora. Right here, guys. Let's go take a look at it, people.
Hi, my Soma. That's so cute. It's looking at eggs.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Hi, Fifi. You hungry? Or let's get something to... Well, you guys already got something to drink, huh? Oh, look at this guy. Ah. Where Thesaurus. Let's go. Okay. Check out what the name is. This is a Spinosaurus. See? Spinosaurus. Look at this guy. Easy there, killer.
Can you read it?
Where from Africa, Egypt, and Morocco. Spinosaurus was a huge meat-eating dinosaur that had a series of spines on his back. Spinosaurus was a bipedal. It walked on 2 legs. This is the Dino Escape. Let's see what the Dino Escape is. Dinosaur Escape. What's up, little one? What's up? Uh-oh. Gotta get my finger. Get my finger. You want a pet? Let's go pet it. Watch.
Oh, touch the fingers. Go, touch the fingers. It's okay, just the fingers. Wow! One more, touch the fingers again.
Oh, look at him. He's trying to break out. He's trying to break out. He's going to break out. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Ah, Daddy have a sharp teeth.
Look at his teeth. Touch it. Go touch it. Oh, guys.
I saw dinosaur. I saw dinosaur there.
Right here it says, warning, this property is protected by raptors. Enter at your own risk. Look at the Triceratops. Little baby right there. Little baby Triceratops. Look at the baby Triceratops. You saw it already? Alright, look at this guy. Please don't eat us. Please don't eat us. Come on, Fifi. Come on, Fifi.
What's in there?
Oh, look at these guys.
Oh, that's
Iguanodon. Iguanodon. What's up? You got something to say? Where are they at? Where's the velociraptors?
Oh, look at that one.
The velociraptors on top of the iguanodon. Unearthed Museum. You ready? This is an irritator. This is an irritator. He is always irritated. What happened to this guy? He's Kawawa, huh? What happened to you? Hi, Fifi. Are you having fun on your birthday? Are you having fun on your birthday? Here is, well, what kind of dinosaur is this one? This is a skeleton. Wow.
It's called a fossil.
Yeah, that's a fossil. That's a big fossil right there. Look at that.
And look, let's go play there. That's slide.
Go ahead, Fifi. Why you want to go the hardest? You want to go the hardest route. Okay, so they gotta dig up some fossils. Go ahead, dig up some fossils, baby. Try to find some bones. Can't see like this. Okay. Okay, did you have fun here?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry now?
I want the cheese.
Okay. Careful. You got it? Go ahead.
I'm scared.
Next one. There you go. Go ahead. Next one. There you go. Next one. Next one. Whoa, watch out for that dinosaur. Okay. Got it? Careful. So we got some dinosaur ice cream. What did you get, Pipa? What is that, chocolate? And what did Fifi get? See, this is a birthday girl right here. She got some chocolate ice cream.
You don't want to eat.
Is it good?
You don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it? Feeding mommy. Look at mommy sweating. Mommy's hot. That's where we're going, guys. The Dino World of Fun.
Yan, walk in!
the kids were scared of that one. That was a fun. You don't have to be scared, Fifi. You don't have to be scared. That was it, guys. So we're doing the 7D cinema.
I was fighting with dancing.
Ready? Okay, let's do this. Thanks, sir. Did you like that one? The Wonders of the World. Let's go.
Morning po.
Morning.
Good afternoon.
Or good afternoon. Yeah. Wonders of the World. Wow. Rio de Janeiro, Chichen Itza, China. Wonders of the World. So, oh, this is Petra from Jordan. Petra from Jordan. Look at mommy. Let's go, Fifi. Yay. Go up. Oh, this is Wonders of the World, guys. Slowly. Nope. What do we have here? We have statue. This is statue of Zeus at Olympia in Greece. See that, guys? What's up, Zeus? And then this is the Taj Mahal from India. This is the Taj Mahal from India. Cute. Look at that.
Oh, Fino, that's broken.
Come on, guys. This is Colossus of Rhodes. Wonders of the World. What is this? Tibet? The Lighthouse of Alexandria.
Oh, look at that one.
That's the Roman Colosseum from Rome, Italy. Wow, you guys are inside the Colosseum. You guys are inside the Colosseum. You guys are in Italy right now. You guys are in Italy right now. Go over there. Look at the ruins. I took my girls to Italy. Perfect. Look at it. My girls have wings. Okay, mommy's turn. That's mommy. Yay. Go with ate. Go with ate. Slowly. Great Wall of China.
Look, everybody's going up. Ah! Come here, let's go see some more, guys.
You never thought that I was going to take you to the Great Wall of China, huh? She is not impressed. This is Machu Picchu. Daddy's been here before. Machu Picchu from Peru. From Peru. Oh, there's a bonsai tree right there. Did you know that you were in Peru right now? Pipa's in Peru right now. You're in Peru right now.
Look at there.
Chichen Itza from Mexico.
I'm going up.
Going up. Go up. Go, 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 go,
How about
go,
this
go.
one?
Go, Dino. Go, Dino. Where it is. This is one of the wonders of the world, Chichen Itza. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon from Iraq. Let's see what's inside. Hey, what's inside? You see inside? Wow. The Christ the Redeemer, Rio De Janeiro, Brazil. Where's Fifi going? Oh, there's a rat. Look at that, there's a rat right there.
Oh, that's so cute.
That's so cute. Let's go. Dinosaur Island. Alright, let me see. Whoa. You're eating. Are you okay? You're eaten by the T-Rex. Dinosaur on that telephone booth. Are we in London? Alright. Souvenir shop. Alright, go ahead. Let's see what the girls want here.
It's not for
Which
you,
one?
It's for Liz.
Which one?
It's for Liz, it's not for you.
That blue one? Or this one? Which one did you say you wanted?
I'll pay for it.
Well, how much is this right here?
1.5.
1.5? Okay.
Renner,
Can I
get
get
up.
one? That's expensive. 1.5 for that thing? That's a big one too.
Okay, I think I saw one that has a vent.
Yeah. That's cool. You want that one? Okay, there you go. Hold it. You gotta ring it up.
What do you want?
Let me see.
Then go find a hard dino. I don't know what you're talking about.
Where's Fifi? Let me see it. Wow, that's really cool. Where's mommy? There. Come here. She wants that one. How much is that one?
$250, sir.
$250. Okay. All right, we have to pay for it first, okay? Actually, you can give it to her, right? We'll pay for it.
Meron.
Wow, that's the birthday girl. She just turned 2 years old.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, $250, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we see yours? Cute. Nice.
Ito, sir.
Thank you,
Salamat
Bob.
po.
Wow, look at her purse. Cool, Fifi. Check out our photos from the photo booth here. We're gonna check it out. Come on. Here's mommy. Come here, Fifi. Let's go. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures here. Here's our pictures. I like your purse, Fifi. That's the birthday girl. That's the birthday girl. And then Fifa has her big dinosaur. What kind of dinosaur is that again? I forgot. Alright, so we got this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then this one. I already saw that one. Whoa! Look at this guy. Thank you, man. You guys have a good time. Let's see what they have over here.
Let's go have
Let's go over here. Let's explore.
Let's go that way.
Look at this little girl. Look at this little girl.
I smell something.
Yo. You want to shake? Buko shake?
I want cotton candy too.
Get Buko shake. A burger cafe. Should we give this place a try? Oh, they have Angus beef burger. Have Angus. You want to try the Angus? I'm gonna have a hot dog.
Me too.
You gonna have a hot dog? Okay. About to eat.
I'm still so hungry.
What do you want to eat? Huh?
Like some candy.
Alright, these are footlongs cut in This is our footlong hot dogs. Woo! Whoa! That's a big bite. Fifi's getting some cotton candy. How much? How much is it?
100.
100. Okay, yeah.
Kay mama na lang
Yeah.
naman. Tara na.
Look at that. What flavor is that? What?
Ube.
Ube. Oh, okay. Is that what you wanted? Ube? Oh, that's ube. You gonna be able to finish all that? And here you go, people. Hold that. Give that to her when she's done. All right, cool. Okay, thank you. Wow, that's big. Thank you very much. Okay, where's mommy? She already went outside? Oh, over there. Sit down over here. Wow, that's big cotton candy. Is it good? Are you gonna be able to finish all of that? Alright guys, I think we're going to the playground. We didn't know that there was a playground around here. Thank you, sir. Oops.
Ayan ba ito? Ice cream kami?
Insectlandia. You want to take a picture here? Yeah, let's take a picture here. In the middle? Okay. Picture.
That's not
We're going in. We're going in.
yeah.
Oh, look at this big spider.
It's a tarantula.
That's a tarantula. Look at that tarantula. You guys see it? Can you guys see the tarantula? Whoa, it's moving. This is a walking stick. It's like a big grasshopper, guys. Look at his mouth. His mouth's moving.
Dad, look, I saw grasshopper.
This is the biggest walking stick I've ever seen.
Me too.
All right, walk with mommy.
Look at that.
Walk with mommy. This is an Apis cockroach right here, guys. Look at that. Let me see if I can get a close-up. See? Cockroach. Whoa! Longhorn grasshopper. That's a grasshopper. Look at this hobbit house, guys. Cool. Oh, you see the spider web, guys? A big spider web. Wow. Whoa.
Let's go see the next
You guys like Fifi's balloon, dinosaur balloon?
Where's my dinosaur?
We'll get it. We'll get you one. What is this? This is a beetle?
Yeah.
That is a gigantic beetle. I ain't messing with that guy.
Oh, yay! Bee! Yay,
Whoa.
bee! Ah, ladybug! Yay!
Look, ladybug.
It's a ladybug.
Wow, that's a big old bee right there. Look at that thing. Imagine getting stung by that thing. This is a dragonfly. Oh, that's cool. Look, hiding under the bamboo trees.
What is
That's a locust. That's a locust. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, Fifi. Grasshopper.
Daddy, come here. Look, it happened.
Say bye-bye. Ah, that's a praying mantis. Praying mantis. I don't know. That snail is alive. Snail is alive. Oh my goodness. Did you see the snail?
Wait, let's go.
That's a snail. That's a snail.
Daddy, that's for the sea.
Come on, guys. Video selfie.
Bye.
Oh, mosquitoes. These are the things that love me. Mosquitoes. You hear it? You hear the mosquito? That's lamok. Centipede. That's a centipede. Alright, you guys ready to go on the playground? Look how long that joker is. Let's go in here. It's a botanical garden. Let's go in here. Come here. Come here. This is the boring part for the kids. They don't want to see this.
Daddy, come here. What is that?
You don't want to mess with the scorpions. You don't want to mess with those Scorpios.
What is this?
What's in here? The Beatles Kingdom. Boring. Look at Fifi. Look at Fifi. Hi, Fifi. Mommy and Fifi. Out there. Yay!
You did it.
You did it, Fifi. Yay. Was it fun?
Follow our farm rules and regulations. Do not leave your gate unattended. The management should not be held liable for loss or stolen items.
Okay, ready? Go! Woo, there she is. Whoa.
bitaw.
Woo! Good job, baby. Thanks, Jack. Oh, my baby's going fast. Well, guys, we made it to the hotel. Hi, Fifi. We're here celebrating a weekend for Fifi. Dance, dance, dance. Sit down now. What's mommy doing? All right. The girls are busy. Uh-oh. Got scallops. No. Thanks, sir.
That's all, baby.
This is for Phoebe's birthday. Oh, you got green onion. Thank you. Blow it, blow it.
Blow the candle. Blow it. 1, 2, blow it. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Here's Fifi. Hi, baby. Happy birthday, Fifi. I hope you had a good day.